Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own HTML sandbox application in CodeHS, and also add a CSS file and add a Google font. So first place to navigate to is codehs.com/sandbox, or you can just visit CodeHS and then click on Sandbox in the top left. And then it'll bring up this window and you can create your program. I'm just calling mine CSS example. When you hit create program, there's a bunch of options for the type of program you want, and we want the HTML program right there in the middle. And then you just click the blue create program button. I've already done this, and so I have my window up here with the editor and everything. Now to get the HTML skeleton, if you can't quite remember what it is, you can go to the docs section on the right here, and then click on HTML file skeleton, and then you can just copy it over from there. The only other thing I've done is I've gone to this add new file thing, and I've added a file called style.css. And then I've added this line to link that CSS file to my HTML page so that it will get styled. So let's go ahead and test to make sure that that works. So I'm going to type in body, so I'm going to select the body tag, this whole section. So all of my content will get styled. And then you add these brackets, and then I can add my CSS rules. Rules are made up of a property, like this, and a value, like this. And so if I save and run, all my text is now red. Cool. So what we're going to do is we are going to add a font to all of the text. And we can do this with Google Fonts. So there's a website, fonts.google.com, and we can just search for a font, and I'll show you how to add it. I'm just going to click on this top one here, Roboto. But real quick, just to show you, there's a bunch of categories of fonts. Serif fonts are like Times New Roman. They are the ones with the little notches on the ends of characters, like this. And then sans serif are the ones without notches, like Roboto, the one that we're going to be using. And then there's some other fonts like display and handwriting that have cursive and fancy sorts of fonts. And then monospace is like typewriter or code editor type of fonts. So you can use these filters to help you find the type of font you're looking for. Okay, I'm going to click on Roboto, and then I'm just going to select the regular font weight, and on the right you can see it says select this style. I'm going to click that, and then there are some things I can copy over to my CSS. So I'm going to click on this import radio button, and then I'm just going to copy this import line of code. I'm not going to copy these style tags because we are putting our style in a separate style sheet. We are not putting it within our HTML. So in our style sheet, I can paste that import link at the top, and then I can copy this font family rule and paste that in my body selector. Hit save and run, and there we go. There's the Roboto font on my website. So that's how you add a Google font. Again, you find the font you want. I'll go back to the main page and show you one more time. You find the font you want, click on it, and then you select the style and weight of font. You can select multiple if you'd like. And then you click on the import radio button and just copy the import. And then you can copy the font family CSS rule into whatever selector you want to copy it to. Okay, hope that helps.